Okay, let's take a look at this example. We have the principal of a high school selected a random sample of 750 students in a high school to tell me whether they like mathematics or not. The principal determined that 15% of the sample group does not like mathematics. 15%. So in essence, we are saying that if we are going to generalize our result, then we're going to look at 15% of the population potentially may not like mathematics. But it doesn't end there. Now, the results of the survey is true with a 2% margin of error at a confidence level of 95. So remember, because of data collection errors and stuff, or whatever data we collect, we think we should be certain within 95%. And within the 95%, we also have a small caveat that says we are within plus or minus 2% of whatever margin of error we have. That means whatever data we get, we can report the data and say the 95 is true and is good in the range of 95 minus 2% to 95 plus 2%. So we'll be looking at 93% to 97%. This is the margin that we will report our data. So if the data falls within this, then we say we are at least we are within our 95% plus or minus 2% margin of error. So let's now come back and look at the question. If there are 4,300 students in the school, what is the best estimate of the number of students who do not like mathematics? So now we have 43 students, 4,300 students. So obviously 15% of the students do not like mathematics. So what is that? So let's calculate 15% of our 4,300. So if I come back here and say, well, 0.15 times 4,300, that is 645. So say I have 645 of the students, 645 of the students do not like mathematics. But this 645 has to be in this is the range of data. So 93% of 645 to 97% of 645 will be the number of students that potentially do not like mathematics. So our range therefore is going to be equal to 93, which is 0.93 of 645 to 0.97 of 645. Now if you do the calculation, actually let's bring our calculator here and do this. So we have 0.93 times 645, and that is equal to 599. So that is about 600. And let's do another 0.97 times 645 again, and that is 626, right? So 626. So in that sense, if you look at the numbers here, we are looking at these two numbers. So we are looking at 600 to 626. This is the range of students potentially in a school population of 4,300 that do not like mathematics. So if you come here, you see that your answer choice here is B. So that is how you merge these two percentage confidence level and also your percentage margin of the level itself, and then use that to estimate the particular parameter that you're interested in.